Hello, this is the 5th video in our modes videos. So, number 5 is so to so, and it's a mixolydian, and I would say this is a very major sounding happy mode. So it's almost exactly the same sort of patterns of tones and semitones as a major scale, the do to do, but because the do to do is, you've got two halves that sort of marry up, so the so to so almost has the same patterns. But so it's a jolly one compared to the Lydian that we had before that had that very sort of weird stretched fourth sound. This one's much more sort of jolly and normal sounding. So let's have a go at doing the solfa first. So it goes so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so. So, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so. And these major ones end up with a sort of ta, ta, ta at the end. So it makes it feel very lovely and sort of finished. Let's have a go at our rhythm names. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ta. Okay. Now, let's just have a go once more, having a look at where you have the on beat and the syncopated sections, and then the syncopated sections here. Let's have another go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta. Ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, ta. Okay, so the reason it sounds almost like a major scale is because it's basically a G major scale but without an F sharp, so it's an F natural. So just be careful if you're used to playing a G major scale. We're going to start with third finger on the D string for violins, fourth finger on the D string for cellos, or you can do it in third position violins or in second position, but just make sure that your programming will want to play an F sharp, because it's almost identical, but don't. Make sure you play an F natural, and then you'll hear what a mixolydian is supposed to sound like. So 2 beats for each note, starting on a G. Okay, 1, 2. A, B, C, D, E, F natural, G, F natural, E, D, C, B, A, G. So I'm going to play the whole scale again, just so you get a feel for what the mode sounds like. So mixolydian mode, so to so. Okay, so now we're going to see if we can put the rhythm to it. So let's get our beat going. Okay, and we're starting from the G. 3, 4. I won't get you to sing the solfa unless you want to go an octave below, because it gets a little bit high, but you can say the solfa if you want to. So it goes so, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so. Okay, and then, so again, use the computer program where you've got it graphically written out for you. Change the tempo so that you can practice along with it with your instrument, and as you get faster, it should become easy, and then you can challenge yourself to see if you can go between the modes that you've already learned. So okay? It's not as easy as it looks, okay? So it takes a lot of practice to see if you can go between the modes, make sure, and it really makes you consciously know where your semitones are to put that rhythm into practice. But there we go, we've got to mode number 5. The next one should feel much more familiar. Mode number 6 is La to La, and that's the one that started this whole process off when we were learning about our minor scales.